Sweep the area for hunters, but be careful. Move out.
Sure thing.
Keep an eye out. Finish. Move out.
Okay, got it.
Keep an eye out. Finish. Move out.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait. There's two enemies over there. It's Trouble Apple! Trouble Apple! Oh, that's never gonna get old. Oh, he attacked me from the side.
I'm down.
They're getting us from the side. Yep.
Hold up. Appreciate it.
Come on.
Okay, got it.
No, and your rap days are over. Come on, Eminem, your rap days are over.
No one can. Let me.
Yeah, it is pretty laggy. Oh.
Someone get over here and help me.
Oh yeah.
One down.
I owe you one.
Yeah.
Hunter to worry about.
Oh,
Smokes
darn
away.
it.
No one comes back from that.
Someone get over here and help me.
Don't worry, I got you.
I owe you one.
Finish. Move out.
Hold up. Finish. Move out.
Fire in the hole.
Alright, I'm gonna attack him from the other side. Oh, no.
Keep the pressure on.
Hold on,
No,
patch you up.
don't revive me! He's right there! Stupid guy! Now you're gonna get killed by a bomb. Nice one! Oh, double headshot. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm wounded.
Nobody likes apples.
One less straggler to work.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
Keep an eye out.
Watch my back. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Look alive. Regular to worry about.
Take that, travel apple. Just got him. can't. There's some other guys over there.
Smokes away!
That rampage.
No, you won't.
Finish. Move out.
I need a minute.
Ice.
Bye. just do
Only
a
a few left.
salute
Cut
to him.
them down.
Okay, got it.
Keep an eye out. Move out.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out.
Okay, got it.
I might upload this match probably. Wait, have I got perfect? Oh wait, I died twice. I was just thinking then, I might have, you know, just not died in this match, but I remembered I have.
Got it.
Again! Yeah.
Okay, got it.
I don't think it was them, I think... I can't remember who it was now. I know it wasn't Travel Apple. The hell are... I can't see them. Oh wait, I see one of them. Come on, poke your head out. Sorry. Oh, that was it. No, that was a good shot.
I'm hit. Appreciate it. Good job.
Yes.
Area secure. All right, pack up. We're going home.
Hell yes.